students, I am going to discuss some questions based on circles. So question is, find the equation of a circle which passes through the points A 1 1 and B 2 2 and whose radius is 1. Show that there are two such circles. So here 2 points are there. According to that, and radius is given 1. So according to that, we have to show here there are two circles. So I'm considering here center of the circle is center of the circle CHK. And your radius is given and radius is the length. So because of that, I'm taking mod of CA and it is 1. And mod of CB, that is also 1. Now, point A11 is in circle. So it will satisfy equation of the circle. So equation of the circle, we know that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So in place of x, I'm applying 1 and 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equals to 1 square. So I can write it as 1 minus 2h plus h square plus 1 minus 2k plus k square equals to 1. So finally here I'm getting h square plus k square minus 2h minus 2k plus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So it is here h square plus k square minus 2h minus 2k plus 1 equals to 0. Similarly, I'm going to apply point B, that is 2 2. It is also in the circle. So it will satisfy equation of the circle. So point B 2 2 is in circle. So equation of circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. So I'm applying here, this is 2 minus h whole square plus 2 minus k whole square equals to r square. So finally it is 4 minus 4h plus h square, 4 minus 4k plus k square equals to r is here 1. So your equation is 4 minus 4h plus h square plus 4 minus 4k plus k square equals to 1. So equation will be h square plus k square minus 4h minus 4k plus 7 equals to 0. Now solving equation 1 and equation 2. So subtracting 2 from 1. So this is equation 2, h square plus k square minus 4h minus 4k plus 7 equals to 0. Now equation 1, h square plus k square minus 2h minus 2k plus 1 equals to 0. Now solving these two, subtracting. So you are getting minus 2h minus 2k plus 6 equals to 0. So here it is minus 2h minus 2k equals to minus 6. So h plus k equals to 3. So I'm writing it as k equals to 3 minus h, giving it as equation 3. Now putting this value of k in equation 1. Putting value of k in equation 1. So h square plus k square minus 2h minus 2k plus 1 equals to 0. So it is here h square plus 3 minus h whole square minus 2h minus 2 into 3 minus h whole square 3 minus h plus 1 equals to 0. Now calculating it. H square plus 3 minus h whole square minus 2h minus 2 into 3 minus h plus 1 equals to 0. H square plus 9 minus 6h plus h square minus 2h minus 6 plus 2h plus 1 equals to 0. So you are getting 2h square minus 6h plus 10 minus 6 equals to 0. So here it is 2h square minus 6h plus 4 equals to 0. So it is here h square minus 3h plus 2 equals to 0. So splitting middle term, h square minus 2h minus h plus 2 equals to 0. So here it is h common, h minus 2 minus 1, h minus 2 equals to 0. So getting here h equals to 1 or h equals to 2. Now applying values of h in applying h values in k equals to 3 minus h. So k equals to 3 minus 1 when applying h equals to 1. So k getting here 2. When h1 then k2, and when h is 2 then k is here 3 minus 2, that is 1. So here I'm getting two centers. Centers are 2, 1, HK and 1, 2. So here there are two circles. Because of that there are two centers. So it is proved that there are two such circles. Here's next question is, one end of a diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 5y minus 7 equals to 0 is a minus 1, 3. Find the coordinates of the other end of this diameter. So I'm going to draw here circle. So I've drawn here a circle. Here point A is there. Point A is minus 1, 3. And C is the center and B is the point. I'm considering coordinates of B as alpha, beta. So I have to find out here coordinates of B means values of alpha and beta. This is other end of the diameter. So equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 5y minus 7 equals to 0. So from here I can find out center value of the circle. So I'm comparing with equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So here getting 2g equals to minus 6, then g equals to minus 3. And 5y equals to 2f equals to 5. So f equals to 5 by 2. So center is minus g minus f. So this is 3 minus 5 by 2. So this is the center of the circle, 3 minus 5 by 2. Now AB is a diameter and CB the center. So C is the midpoint of the straight line AB, of this diameter AB. So midpoint form I can use. So I can write here point A is minus 1, 3. Point C is 3 minus 5 by 2 and point B is alpha, beta. 3 points. Now C is the midpoint of AB. So your point A is minus 1, 3. Point C is 3 minus 5 by 2 and point B is alpha, beta. C is the midpoint of AB. Now coordinates of C, minus 1 plus alpha by 2 by midpoint form and 3 plus beta by 2, and this is equals to abscissa value means 3 equals to minus 1 plus alpha by 2, and ordinate value, that is 3 plus beta by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2. So calculating these two, so getting here 6 equals to minus 1 plus alpha. So alpha is here 7 and here beta equals to minus 5 minus 3. So beta equals to minus 8. So alpha and beta, both values 7 and minus 8. And this is point B. And this is the answer. Here next question is, prove that the centers of the three circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Second circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0, and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 16y plus 7 equals to 0 are collinear. So here basically centers I have to find out first, and I will consider center for the first circle, that is A, center for the second circle, that is B, and center for the third circle, that is C. And if BA plus AC equals to BC, so I can write BAC are collinear in a line. So equation of the first circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. So comparing with the equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So 2g equals to minus 4, then g equals to minus 2. And 2f equals to minus 6, then f equals to minus 3. So center getting here minus g minus f. So it is here a, 2, 3. Now second circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So comparing with equation, general equation of a circle. So after comparing, getting here 2g equals to 2, then g equals to 1, and 2f equals to 4, then f equals to 2. So center B is minus 1 minus 2. Now third circle, x square plus y square minus 10x minus 16y plus 7 equals to 0. So comparing with equation of the circle, so it is here 2g equals to minus 10 and g equals to minus 5. And 2f equals to minus 16, then f equals to minus 8. So your center is C, 5, 8. Now, points A, B, C are, if we have to show points A, B, C are collinear, then we have to show BA plus AC equals to BC. Then BA, we have to find out by distance formula, the root over minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square. So this is here root over 9 plus 25 equals to root 34. Now AC by the distance formula we can find out, that is root over 2 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 8 whole square. So this is root over 9 plus 25 and it is equals to root over 34. Now BC we can find out, this is root over minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus 8 whole square, and this is root over 36 plus 100. So it is root over 136, getting here 2 root over 34. So here BA plus AC equals to BC. So left hand side equals to right hand side, means points are collinear. A, B and C are points which are collinear.